got my micro camper. I am so happy. I don't know what to say. I am absolutely over the moon. I traded in my old VW Golf, which was such a beautiful car. It has lasted me 10 years. I don't really change cars or phones and things like that. So I try and stick to stuff for as long as I can. But I knew that I really wanted a micro camper for medical reasons and other reasons. It makes travel very accessible for me. So when my body's having a crash, I get the opportunity to rest, but also I have a space to change if I have a leak, and I do have lots of leaks because my stoma has a dip. I can't wait to convert it. So I'm going to call this series the Micro Camper Diaries. I would love you to follow along and see what we do. It is quite an old one and it does need quite a bit of work, but I expected that. I think for me the low mileage was the main thing, and the fact that it's ULEZ so I can travel in to see my family. I can't wait, so follow along and here's a little clip of what she looks like.